Today we shall learn the magic of prepositions. Prepositions, all of you have learned, of course, when you were in some lower classes like class 5, 6, 7. So you learned all those prepositions. What are the prepositions? To, on, from, in, upon. There are many prepositions, and we are going to learn the use of those prepositions not as prepositions but as words, maybe as an adjective or as an adverb. We are going to learn those prepositions. Number one, see, I'm on my way home or I'm going to Kolkata. These two sentences are there. Now, what we are going to learn here, see, I'm on my way home. I shall not use this phrase. Instead of this phrase, I shall be using a preposition only. And here also, this particular word going, we shall not use. Instead of this word going, we shall use a preposition. And what is that preposition that can be used in this particular position? Can you guess? I am on my way home, or I am going home, or I am going to Kolkata. So this two will remain here before Kolkata. But before home, there will be no two. You know very well that before home, we do not use any preposition. So we do not say, I'm going to home. I'm going home. Here, instead of this, we are going to use just a preposition. And what is that? All of you know that. O double F. Off. I'm off home. I'm going home. Or instead of going, we shall use the same preposition. O double F. Off. I'm off to Kolkata. Say somebody asks you, where are you going? I'm off to Kolkata. Or at the day's end, when you are coming out of your office, your colleague asks you where you will go. You say that I'm off home. I'm off home. I'm going home. Number two, I'm not aware of what sort of a person he is. I'm not aware of what sort of a person he is. Now you see, aware of what sort of a person he is. This particular phrase, this long phrase, we shall drop. We shall not use. Instead of this phrase, we shall use just a preposition. And what may be that preposition? Yes, isn't it very interesting? That's why I started the video with this particular phrase, the magic of preposition. Here you write, I'm not on to, TO2. I'm not on to. I'm not on to. Here is a he, so it will become him here, you understand. I'm not on to him. I'm not on to him. That means I'm not aware of what sort of a person he is. Say somebody asks you, can you tell me something about your neighbor, Mr. X? Then you simply say, oh, I ain't on to him. I ain't on to him. That means I'm not aware of what sort of a person he is. For a long sentence, the long sentence can be squeezed into a short sentence by the use of this preposition only, on to. Number three, we are interested in or learning English. Now we will drop this particular word. This word and this preposition as well. And this one. So instead of these words, can you guess any preposition that can replace this word or this word? This will remain the same. We are. After that, just a preposition. The preposition is into, INTO, into. We are into English. We are into English. Or we are learning English. We are into English. into. We are into English. So instead of using this word interested or learning, you can use just this preposition into. That will mean the same. Say you are telling your father, I want to be into French. That means I want to learn French, or I am interested in French. Next, number 4. After the day's work, I'm very tired. After the day's work, I'm very tired. All these sentences are very simple in nature, so you can easily make out, you can easily understand what these sentences mean. Or what we are learning now is the use of prepositions as adjectives or adverbs. All right. So after the day's work, I am very tired. We will drop these two words. Very tired. Instead of very tired, we shall use a preposition and, of course, a very well known word. That is, after the day's work, I am all all in. After the day's work, I'm all in. You have returned from your school, your mom asks you to go shopping. You say to your mom, Mom, I'm all in. Mom, I am all in. That means I am very tired or I am exhausted. So start using these prepositions, or else it will be very difficult for you to retain in your memory all these. These words can enrich your English when you use this type of prepositions and speak English or write English. People will, of course, feel that you know English in the truest sense of the term. Next, number 5. What are you doing? It's a very simple word. It's a question. What are you doing? You have come in, you have seen your brother doing something, you are asking, what are you doing? So instead of this word doing, we shall use a preposition. What is that preposition? So all this, you cannot tell me that, sir, you are asking us to cram our memory with a lot of words, and it is very difficult for us to memorize those words, and even after that retain those words in our memory. But not a single word is here which is unknown to you. All these words are very much known to you. Only what you are learning is the new use of these prepositions, these words. Okay? So what are you doing? Instead of doing, we shall use up to, to. What are you up to? What are you up to? You're asking someone. Say you are a teacher and you happen to see your student doing something in the lobby, and you ask your student, "What are you up to?" Here, where are you here? What are you up to? He says, "Sir, I'm watering the plants." All right. Next, number 6. Finally, she regained consciousness. Finally, she regained consciousness. These two words we shall omit. Regain consciousness. Instead of these two words, we shall use a preposition and a very well known word. Okay? It's not necessary for you to remember regain consciousness or come back to senses. Not necessary for you to use these long phrases. You can use finally she came to, as it is in the past tense, regained. So we are using the past tense form of the word come. Came to, simply T or to will mean the same. So what will we write here? Came, C-A-M-E, came to. Came to. Finally, she came to. T or to. Finally, she came to. Or you have gone to the hospital to pay a visit to a patient. You see that the members of the family are standing outside, so you ask them, has he come to? Has he come to? Or has he not yet come to? Has he not yet come to? He has undergone a surgical operation. So now he is, of course, under. He is under. Here you see, I am using the preposition under. What does it mean here? He is under the influence of anesthesia. If you say that he is still under, that means he is still under the influence of anesthesia. All right? So we can use this particular phrase, came to, mean regained consciousness. If it is in the present tense, then you will say we'll have to use come to. All right? Next, this hairstyle is the fashion now. This hairstyle is the fashion now. This the fashion we shall not use. We shall not use the fashion. Instead of the fashion, we shall be using a preposition, which is known to everyone, at least in India. What is that preposition that you can use to replace these two words, the fashion? The word is simply in. I-N. In. This hairstyle is in now. In now or these days, whatever you like, you can use there. My gosh, your hairstyle seems very strange. Why, man? This hairstyle is in these days. This hairstyle is in these days. This hairstyle is the fashion these days. So we have learned these 7 sentences, and we have learned also the special use of these prepositions so that we can improve our English while speaking and also while writing. So, my dear friends, without any delay, without much ado, simply start using these prepositions as you have already learned them. And I don't think you can tell that, sir, it will take us a long time to memorize these words. I think all these words are already memorized by you, and the use as well, as I have explained to you. All right? So, my dear friends, what more? Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to our channel. If you do not subscribe to our channel, it is quite difficult for us to survive. Our channel may die a premature death. So I expect you, my dear friends, you will, of course, consider our effort. We are trying to put in some effort to present you with good videos on, of course, very important English chapters. And for that reason, we expect in return a subscription. All right. And if you have liked this video, give a like. If you have disliked this video, if you have not enjoyed this video, you have found that there is nothing new to learn from this video, then give us a dislike. There's no problem. But if you give us a dislike, I will request you to leave a comment justifying the dislike you have given. What is the reason? You mention, please, in the comment box why you have given us a dislike, so that we can improve our teaching technique in the next videos. Thank you very much. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.